Doing great local marketing for your club has never been easier with the new editable template feature on Les Mills Brand Central. Templates allow you to create your own marketing material, customized to your requirements, with the click of a few buttons. You can add your logos, use a different image, or change the language. And best of all, there's no need for a designer, so you'll save time and money. Let's take a closer look at how templates work. You'll find them in the main menu under Templates. Simply click on the template you're interested in, then click the Adapt button to start customizing. Every template will have different fields that you can edit. This ClassPass template lets you edit the headline. You might like to change the language, for example. You can choose a different image too. And you can edit the call to action and any conditions. Best of all, you can add your own club branding. Once you're done, simply hit Save As and name your adaptation. Now you're ready to download the file. Some templates will give you download options. In this case, you can choose a JPEG, a PDF with no bleed or crop marks for printing on your office printer, or one that does have bleed and crop marks for professional printing. You can also download a low-res preview for proofing. We'll be introducing more marketing templates in the coming months, so watch out for them. In the meantime, have a try and start producing your club marketing the easy way.